Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I have a fun little DIY for you, and you are going to need some fake snow, some little bottle brush trees, a ball jar or any type of jar of your choosing. They make all kinds of shapes and sizes, a lid and a ring, hot glue gun, and hot glue sticks. So first off, you're gonna grab your lid and your tree and figure out where you want to place it on the lid. You can do it off to the side or in the middle. Either way, it'll look great. Just stick some hot glue on it and press it in, and then you're gonna want to let this sit for a little while just to make sure that the tree is secure before you're messing with it much. Next, you're going to take your snow and you're going to kind of eyeball about how much space is underneath the tree that you're going to need for snow, and put about that much snow in it. And you're not going to want to use the styrofoam snow because it will stick to the glass like crazy. Once your tree is securely glued to your lid, you'll just turn it over and stick it into the jar. And turn it upside down and let the snow fall down in around the tree. Like I said, there's so many options of sizes and shapes of jars and trees, and I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I hope that you all have a wonderful Christmas. If you're new to my channel, hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and I will see you all in my next video.